I'm Tess with the Lehigh Valley Rose Society, and today I'm in the Bethlehem Rose Garden to talk about spotted lanternflies. They were introduced to the U.S. in 2014 in Berks County when they hitched a ride on a shipment of stone from China, and since then they have been spreading wider each year. The nymphs are able to jump great distances, and the adults can fly short distances, so on their own they can travel up to 3 to 4 miles. Besides that, they are frequent hitchhikers. They will fly into your car, truck beds, they will travel along with transported goods, and they will lay their egg masses on almost any outdoor surface. The egg masses are overwintered and then hatch in the spring. And the first nymphal instar stage will show up in May to June. It is about 1/4 of an inch long, black with white spots. As we proceed from June to late June and into July, you will see the second and third instar stages. They are larger still, with black and white spots. There are some right here on this rose. These are about the second instar stage. As we proceed into July and through September, you will start to see them in their fourth instar stage. They will begin to take on a reddish color, and they will grow to be about 3/4 of an inch long. As early as July and all the way through the frost in December, you will see adult spotted lanternflies. They have a pinkish tan wings with black spots, and their hind wings have a reddish color. The nymphs are attracted to new growth on plants such as grapevines, blackberries, raspberries, and roses. They sap the nutrients from the plant and they excrete a sugary substance called honeydew. This substance tends to promote black spot in roses. And the sapping of nutrients can weaken any plant that they gather on. Besides our own gardens and our own plants, they also have a preference for many plants that are important to Pennsylvania's economy, such as maples, birch, willow, grapevines. In 2019, there was an economic impact study done that suggested that spotted lanternflies, uncontrolled, could cost Pennsylvania $324 million annually. If you've noticed spotted lanternflies in your garden, we have a solution. This is a natural contact killer developed by a local chemist, Alex, from H&K Solutions. The primary ingredients are peppermint oil and sodium lauryl sulfate. And because it is a contact killer and not a systematic pesticide, it does not leave behind harmful residue. You merely shake it up and spray it directly at the pests. And we have some right here on this rose bush. There's one, and there's one. And so once you spray them, they may jump once and they will then wriggle around a bit, and you can find them crumpled up on the ground. See if we can find any that I sprayed. Looks like there's one, and there's another one. You can find this on our website. It comes in a quart-size sprayer and a pint-size sprayer, as well as a quart-size refill and gallon